This entire cinematic thriller scene cost me less than a cup of coffee, no film crew, no actors, no studio. This week I was the director, the writer, the storyboard artist, and the editor, all from one desk. Just an idea and one tool. Stick around, I'll show you the exact text-to-video workflow I used. Completely solo. Here's the problem nobody talks about. AI video looks amazing now, but it is still expensive. One good scene can use your whole budget. So many creators make one clip, post it, get a few views, and then stop. But the problem is not skill. The problem is cost. And the algorithm does not reward one perfect video. It rewards creators who keep posting again and again. Here's exactly what I'll cover. How one idea becomes full episodes. How characters and scenes stay consistent in every shot. The tool I'm using is Pippit. Once you log in through the link in the description, you'll land on a clean and simple homepage. From here, click on Story Studio. Think of it like your creative co-pilot. This is where you can upload your own script or simply type your story idea directly. For this video, I'm starting from scratch. I type my idea, and Pippit gives me a full style library. You can choose from live action, 2D, 3D, and other scene styles. I select the style I want, set the video to 16:9, and choose how many episodes I want to create. For this example, I'm creating 3 episodes. Now this is where Pippit Story Studio becomes really useful. It reads the full idea and automatically breaks it into episodes. So instead of creating every shot one by one, Pippit builds a clear story structure for you. I understand the main idea of each episode, then turn it into a complete episode draft with character names, scene direction, camera angles, and small details that make the final video feel more polished and professional. Once the episodes are planned, the next step is turning everything into visuals. And honestly, this is one of the most mind-blowing features Pippit Story Studio recently added. It never generates the random clip. Instead, it first defines the characters and the environment where the story will happen. And even you can edit each visual inside the canvas and customize it properly. The canvas is actually my favorite part, because every visual is already planned in detail. First, I design the character so it stays consistent across all episodes. And here's what actually makes that consistency work. Every character saves in an asset library. So Pippit reuses the same face, outfit, and identity every time instead of generating it again. That's what makes it feel like a real series, not random AI clips. And hold on, if you want to see whether the same character stays consistent from episode 1 to episode 5, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Tech. You can also change the image generation model or tweak the text prompt. As you can see, the character is now being built, and the best part is that the full editing studio is already available here. But a consistent character in an inconsistent world still breaks the illusion, so I build the scenes too. I take a scene and turn it into a full 360-degree panorama. I can pull multiple camera angles out of that one scene, wide, close, reverse, and just right-click and hit Apply to Scene to lock in the angle I want. I can even take a prop and merge it with a previous scene to generate a brand new location. And that new scene saves straight into the asset library. So now my characters and my world stay consistent across every episode. No need to switch to another tool or pay for another subscription. Once all visuals are ready, the next step is turning each episode into video while keeping the same characters, same style, and proper continuity. The model inside it is Seedance 2.0 Mini, and this is one of the most affordable models I've tested. It can render cinematic story videos for around 2 cents per second. That means a full 3-episode series can cost less than your morning coffee. I almost didn't believe it, so I tested it myself. Now, instead of generating every clip one by one, I select all videos and use batch generation. This saves a lot of time because Pippit starts working on all scenes together while keeping the characters consistent. And that is the crazy part. One person can now be the director, the writer, the storyboard artist, and the editor all at the same time. Once the videos are generated, you can render them, download them, and see what Pippit Canvas created. How cool is that? No team, no studio, no actors, Just you, your idea, and this workflow going from text to storyboard to a finished story video you can publish today. So if you have a story idea but you were waiting for a big budget, that excuse is gone now. Click the link in the description, sign up for Pippit, and try it while the limited time launch offer on Seedance 2.0 Mini is still available. This is probably the cheapest time to test it. Your next step is simple. Type your idea, upload your script, or create a short film, story video, or advertisement using Pippit's Canvas feature. It can save you a lot of time, money, and mistakes. And if this video helped you, make sure you subscribe to Ninja Tech, because every week you'll get more useful AI tool breakdowns like this, and I get to keep making them. Thanks for watching.